Alright, here's a 42-inch Alaska ceiling fan. Sold from Kmart. And this is an antique brass finish. And I got this from eBay, which is new in box, which I will show you the box. So here it is. And then there's the other side. There's the top part where it shows the fan. It's really nice. And actually, it came with everything. So there it is. Here's the stencil. Not sure if you can see. There it is. There's the stencil. Alright. Go ahead and start with low. Okay. To medium. And I forgot to mention these Alaska ceiling fans have a low, medium, and high speed, and it is reversible. It's not bad air movement from medium, but okay. And here's high. It actually has a nice breeze on high speed. So yeah. It has a little noise in the motor, but it's not very loud. I mean, at least I heard it. I think I heard it when I first tested it out, but it's still silent in my opinion. And not only I have this one on high, I still have the Lasco, which I have both of them running on high speed. So yeah. Back up a little ways. Alright. Shut her off. It's got a little long spin down. I think after the spin down, I'm going to show you, I have another set of Alaska blades in white. Really like the GE vents and the blade brackets. Wouldn't mind finding one of these with the pretzel brackets, which they look really nice on it, and with stencil. I think I'm also looking for one of these with 5 blades with cane, which I love that. And these Alaska ceiling fans are definitely a childhood fan of mine. Oh, especially the ones with the big canopy and the pretzel brackets in white finish. That is a major childhood fan of mine because my great grandmother used to have one in the kitchen, but it's no longer in right now because I got replaced by a newer Hunter. Alright, the fan has already stopped. And I'll go ahead and show you there's a set of Alaska blades in the box. So, there's the Alaska stencil. I think I showed you in another video, the Alaska I used to have. As for the motor, I know most of you are wondering what happened to it. I really don't want to explain about it because it's all in the past and it's a long story. So, yeah. So anyway, there's your 42-inch Alaska ceiling fan. And hope you all enjoyed the video. See you later.